Here's what you get in the Borgeson pump pressure reducing kit, product 899001. You get 5 shims. You get a staple that holds this bag closed. Oh, you get the bag. And you get this O-ring. You know it's an O-ring because it's not shaped like any other letters. And then you get this clamp holder. You get this is to hold the valve while you put it in the vise and work on it. So let's go get our valve and we'll be right back. First, we're going to remove the high pressure valve retainer. And we want to be really careful that we don't lose any parts. All right, so we got that. All right. I found the easiest way to get this out is just to tip it. So I had this in a vise and then I just took it out. I suppose you could fish it out if you have a magnet. So now we put this in here and we're gonna just clamp this down because we gotta take this part off right here. So we'll put this in the vise gently. We're gonna take a 7/16 socket and we're gonna remove this nut. By the way, this one on the back is a 1-inch socket. You can barely see it. All right, let's go. All right, even though it says to use a 7/16, or it says that this bolt is a 7/16, it's not. It's in this set it's an 11, or it's a 12 mil, sorry, 12 millimeter. And strangely enough, a 1/2 inch didn't fit, but 12 mil fits. So we're gonna pull that off. All right, you guys, I wanna show you the issue I'm having is that when I try to remove this nut, the whole thing spins. This whole thing is turning inside there, and I don't wanna clamp down on this too tight, so I'm not really sure what to do. I guess I'm gonna try the electric socket and see if I can just kind of jolt it off of there. I don't want things going everywhere though, because apparently there's a little ball bearing and the spring and everything inside there, so I don't want this stuff flying out. All right, well, I'm gonna keep trying. All right, gang, so I did remove that portion, and I did it by placing a little shop towel around this clamp, and then I clamped it pretty hard, so just FYI. Here's what we got out. We got the valve portion. We've got, or the filter, I guess. We've got a ball bearing and this pin. And these shims came out of it. There's 3 shims. They're pretty thin, really thin actually. And the instructions say to discard all the shims that came on it. You can see there's like 3 thicknesses. And then you're gonna just replace those with the shims from the kit. And I'm assuming, let's just see, yeah, I'm assuming the shims in the kit are all about the same width. I didn't measure them, but they look like it. I mean, they're all mixed together, so I'm assuming they're all the same. And then they give you this pressure chart over here. Now, somebody recommended to go to 700 PSI. I think I might do 4 shims and go to 850, but no shims is 1350, that's a lot. You can decide how much steering feel you want to have. The guy from Borgeson did say it should work fine as is, but I already bought the kit, so I'm going to use it. So I think I'm going to go with 4. And that's it. The shims go right on here, and then you just put it back together. There we go. We're back in business with 4 shims installed. And this looks to be in good condition. I just checked it for any burrs or scratches, and it's all in good shape. So it's going back in, and then this is going to follow right after. That's it, guys. I'm going to wait to put this back in the car because I'm waiting for a different pulley, and I want to put the pulley on before I put the pump in. It's a little bit easier. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in another video.